Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Escali Primo P115NB. This bargain price scale is a staple in our test kitchen. Don't let the compact size fool you, either. The Escali has a capacity of 11 pounds, which should be plenty for most amateur cooking and baking needs, whether you're weighing a sack of apples for pie, portioning out burger patties, or measuring flour for sourdough loaves. Since the elevated weighing platform is offset from the control panel, you can measure into oversized bins or bowls without having to bend down to see the screen. Let's watch more. Our second best kitchen scale for baking is Etekcity Food Kitchen. It can measure up to 11 pounds but is accurate enough to weigh just a few ounces, grams, fluid ounces, or milliliters. It's compact enough to be stashed away in a drawer or cabinet. The flat surface and laminated buttons also make it incredibly easy to clean. Some reviewers note that the small size does make the LCD screen hard to read when measuring with larger bowls or plates. Let's watch more about this product.
Etekcity's EK6015 Digital Kitchen Scale is the golden standard for food measurement. Slim and compact, it's easy to store and adds a modern touch to your kitchen. The scale can weigh anything up to 11 pounds, making it the perfect kitchen device for your cooking needs. The EK6015 runs on 2 AAA batteries and has a sleek blue LCD display. It also features a smart tare function. Place any empty container on the scale and press tare to easily remove the container's weight from the scale. Find exact measurements right away. Switch between milliliters for water, milliliters for liquids like milk, ounces, pounds, and grams, all with the push of a button. The milk measurement accounts for liquids that have heavier densities. Use the scale to weigh food, jewelry, even postage. Etekcity's EK6015 Digital Kitchen Scale helps you build on better living.
Number 3 in our list is Amazon Basic Stainless Steel Digital. The budget-friendly model has many of the same features as pricier ones, which includes an easy-to-read LCD screen and sensors for accurate measurements. Its wide circular platform can handle up to 11 pounds. It weighs ingredients in both ounces and grams and has a tare function to reset the weight. It also features automatic shut-off programmed for about 2 minutes of inactivity. Our fourth pick is OXO 11212400. The scale's slim body, built-in timer, and ability to measure precisely in 0.1 gram intervals starting at 0.5 grams were major selling points. We especially appreciated the removable silicone mat that protects the weighing pad from heat and scratches and makes cleanup a cinch. The scale's sleek silhouette is eye-catching enough that even design obsessives shouldn't mind leaving it out on the counter full-time, but that style does come at a price. Last in our list is Ozeri ZK14R. Available in 6 color options, which include black, red, teal, and silver, it's perfect for matching your other kitchen appliances. The power button also resets the scale to 0, which is helpful for ingredients that need to be weighed in a container. The other changes the preferred measurement unit to either pounds, ounces, milliliters, or grams.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!